This summer's been scorching. I planned to quietly restore an old Huanghe truck. Nothing fancy. But then a friend sent me photos of a Jiefang C15 water truck, probably a converted fuel tanker. The moment I saw it, I was hooked. In this heat, chasing something that unique just felt right. Man, driving a water truck in this heat might actually cool my mood a bit. It's scorching. Feels like 100 degrees Fahrenheit here. I found this old Jiefang C15 tanker from the 80s, parked perfectly. Then boom, out of nowhere, a dog popped out from under the truck. Took me a second to spot him. Even the dogs are learning to hide from this heat. Turns out the dog was tied up, thankfully. That gave me some peace of mind. The front windshield's missing, and the interior, pretty rough. But hey, it's an 80s truck. The water pipe in the back looks like a homemade setup. Steel tank, spray valves underneath. Someone definitely modified it. And honestly, I kinda love that. This thing's surprisingly versatile. Could haul oil or spray water. Overall, it's in decent shape. We got a flatbed coming and we'll load it up soon. Paid $2,650 per ton for this 80s Jiefang. It weighs about 5 tons, so a 6-ton hauler should do. Honestly, standing next to it, it's big, tall, and kinda majestic. Got me thinking more than I expected. Yep, things got tricky fast. The tank tilted, but we managed. Loading this beast was no joke. It's boiling hot, the front tires were flat, steering was awful, and the truck's massive. Hard to control. Halfway through loading, even the driver looked unsure. One of those days where nothing goes smooth. The driver hesitated, too long, too heavy. Said it might tip his truck. I told him, no worries, I'll throw in 200 more. Measured it out, gave him the weight. And finally he agreed. Over an hour under the blazing sun, but we got that old beast loaded. Tight fit, but it worked. Just told him drive slow, we're good. Honestly, the whole process was a wild ride full of surprises. In the end, we pulled it off, got the truck loaded and brought her home. I was beyond excited. First thing I did, filled up the tires. It uses inner tubes, but nothing major to worry about. She landed safely. First auto works, baby. Tomorrow we fire her up. And this tank, it's gonna hold a lot of water. The steel tank's huge, so we gave it a solid 15 cc shot. All set. Then, just for fun, gave it a good polish. And of course, our motto, if it spins, it runs. If it spins, it pours. But wow, we need to swap this out for a newer model to make refueling easier. Got the power and battery sorted. And guess what? It actually has a battery. Big news, folks, that changes everything. The battery was still connected, positive and negative. That means this thing was parked while still running. At this point, I knew I'd scored a real find. Honestly, I'm 90% sure the engine's fine. Old beast like this just needs a few updates. But before we fire her up, let's check that engine oil one more time. Oil levels looked fine, so I held off on changing it. Time to start her up, gave it a crank, and boom, she tried. Maybe it's luck, maybe it's fate. After all those years sitting, the engine struggled a bit, but nothing serious. It's stiff, sure, but she's alive. Let's check the spark. Crank it. Yes, we've got fire. Man, that's insane. She's actually coming back to life. What a beast. Come on, no problem at all. Crank it, again, keep going. All good, folks. Let's hook up the fuel line. And boom, she's running. That's it. No more issues. We're good to go. No problem at all, my friends. One crank and she's good to go. Hey, okay, just like that. All good, folks. Next up, top off the oil, add some coolant and a bit of water. Can't run her long without that. Then we hit the road and start spraying. Only downside? I didn't have a thick enough hose. Just this tiny one, but hey, it works. Weather's perfect today. It's hot, but today's the day. Let's go. Let's hit the road and spray some water. Keys in, fuel's ready. All right, let's fire her up. Found the gear. Okay, first gear in, let's roll. Dear friends, summer's here. I know there are days when work and life feel overwhelming. So take a moment, breathe, cool your mind. And if you ever feel like you're about to explode, just call me. I'll show up in my water truck to cool you down, promise.